Hi guys, my name is Dan and this is another vlog from BragDeal, and today we're going to be talking about whether you should or should not do Facebook ads for your business. So before we actually dive into the video guys, I want to make sure the advanced people out here that use Facebook ads, this video is probably not for you because this is just a beginner explainer video for people that have never really dealt with Facebook ads before. So lately I'm having quite a bit of calls from new clients and old clients actually asking about whether they should jump into doing Facebook ads. Now it really comes down to your business and what you do. Facebook ads are obviously a great way to get your business out there. People that have been using Facebook ads see a lot of returns. Some people on the other hand see a lot of waste of money going into it because they just simply don't know how to use the platform. So depending on the nature of your business, Facebook ads can actually be really helpful. They're very visual, they're relevant to the people that you're targeting, and it just in general can generate you more sales. You gotta make sure you have the budget to set up for Facebook ads. If you're only willing to spend maybe $1 a day, then that's probably not a good idea to even get into. Usually to get started, you wanna think about somewhere between $3 to $10 almost per day. And generally within the first couple days you know how your ads are performing, and based on that you make adjustments. Usually as they perform really well and provide you enough returns, you're gonna see the numbers go as high as $10-20 per ad per day, and that can add up really quickly. But that being said, you're getting enough returns back to not even worry about that. The great thing about Facebook ads is that you can actually reach out to more people out there with roughly the same budget as you would if you were to print and send it off to as many people as you can. So what the Facebook ads are able to do is, first of all, you can open them on mobile phones, tablets, PCs obviously, which means you're covering a wider range of people. But probably the most important part is that the minute the person starts typing something they're searching for example, whether it's a mattress or maybe they're looking for shoes, whatever the case they're looking for, now if you're in that specific niche, you're able to retarget them and show them ads related to what they're searching for. So for example, if I'm typing men's shoes, all of a sudden anyone that sells men's shoes that has Facebook ads and they're targeting people between the ages of 18 to 35, for example, male, shoe size between 7 and 12, they can actually get me to see their ad because I've typed in the search result. One thing that's very important with Facebook ads is you gotta know who you're targeting and how to actually set up the targeting. Because the worst thing you can do is just click on the button to start the ad, and next thing you know, people there have no interest in your business seeing your ads, and that's just a waste of money, waste of clicks, and next thing you know, you're not really generating the amount of returns that you wanted. The one thing that's very important about Facebook ads is that you gotta make sure you research who the target audience is for your business. So whatever niche you're in, find out where the age groups are, find out whether they're computer users or phone users for the most part. Maybe they use Instagram more often than Facebook. You gotta find out the exact combinations of all the targeting points, and that way you actually come up with the specific niche that you're going for. The best way of doing what I just described is that take a piece of paper and draw out one circle. On that circle, start writing a bunch of interests. Okay, and try to make them as similar to each other as possible. Then make another bubble and do complete other interests still related to the business or the product you're selling, and then have the two bubbles overlap and see which interests collide with each other. And then once you have that going, make one last bubble again and make the same idea exactly on that one. And next thing you know, all three bubbles collide, and in the middle, that's your target audience. What I've just explained right there about the bubbles is generally how the Facebook targeting works in a very quick way of explaining it, but you can actually go down as far as 10 different bubbles and really narrow down the search results. But at the same time, you want to make sure it makes sense so your targeting is not too narrow either. One important thing to also look at when you're targeting the bubbles, obviously we talked about, is what cities you're targeting or countries specifically. We already talked about age groups and genders and so on. But once you have all that figured out, now it comes down to actually excluding people as well. So there are some bubbles you can create to exclude people. And what I mean by excluding bubbles is, for example, if you are selling female watches, then obviously single men are not going to be interested in that. So you might want to exclude anyone in a male gender, or specifically male that are single, or whatever the case is. You want to make sure you target specifically so you get the most value out of the dollar. Now, Facebook ads are definitely a complicated thing to get right, but when you do get it right, you're gonna see crazy results happening right away. One thing that if you haven't already done is you must install the Pixel. Pixel is a whole new topic that we're gonna cover later on, but essentially it's a little thing, a little code that you put on your website that'll actually track what people are doing on your website so you can improve your ad setup, so you can improve the ad conversions better. That way you will have less money spent and more returns coming in. Alright guys, I hope this was a helpful video for those of you who haven't really dealt with Facebook ads before. And if you have any questions, definitely send it in the message below or feel free to email me directly. Like and share the video if you haven't done so already, and subscribe for our channel. And until next time guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.